Very good morning, children. Happy to see you, all of you, again. Some previous classes when we have completed 10th class Unit 3 lo reading C partly yesterday I completed that. I started. At the same time here, the same section and the same lesson, Unit 3, from Unit 3, reading See What Is My Name. Yesterday I gave some information about that and some part of the explanation I have explained. Right? And today, the same I want to continue. If you have a textbook, please open the textbook. Please look into the textbook where I am reading, where I am explaining the sentences and the phrases at the same time and the meaning of the new word, that is called vocabulary. Vocabulary is a vital role in English language, and you have to learn the new words. You have to note it down. So that's why I request you all the children, you please open the textbook and start. See where I am reading, where I explained. So here, my dear children, today the first passage, the first page I explained that from reading C, and the second part is from that, and I want to explain to you. My dear children. See the textbook. I would like to give a conclusion about this lesson. So overjoyed means here the housewife, she was overjoyed when her husband was patted, gently touched, and when he was appreciated her, she was overjoyed about what he said. And next verse, see the para. Housewife began living with the scrubbing as the chief mission in her life. She scrubbed the house spotlessly, clean at all the times and beautifully decorated within it multicolored designs. Thus, how her life went on with the sumptuous and the ceaseless supply of scrubbing clothes and mugu baskets. My dear children, here the house, when she was overjoyed and she was began living with swabbing. The word swabbing, if you see the word swabbing, cleaning, swab, clean. And here she was very dexterous. And she thought it was a chief mission. CHIEF, that means important or main. Right, here a chief mission, and she thought this housewife, when her husband said, this is your house, she felt very joy. She was overjoyed and she was very cheerful because she thought, it is my house, it is my home. So immediately she started scrubbing, and she thought it was a chief mission in her life. She scrubbed the house spotlessly clean at all the times and beautifully decorated with its multicolored designs. She scrubbed the house spotlessly. Spot, that means the floor she scrubbed the clean, and she rubbed with some liquids with spotlessly. Not in time, for all the time, that means from the morning to evening, from 24 hours, she kept the house very clean and spotlessly, and she decorated the house beautifully with Mughal designs. That's how her life went on in the sense going on. Went on or continue. Continue. So, in this way, here the housewife's life was going on and continue like this with a sumptuous and ceaseless supply of swabbing cloths and mugu basket. So here, see, her life is going on, supply of swabbing clothes, okay, and washing clothes, and at the same time arranging with the Mughal designs with the Mughal baskets like this. So her life was going on and continue as it is chief mission in her life. Next para, see my dear children. But one day, while scrubbing the floor, the housewife suddenly asked herself, yes, she thought scrubbing is her chief mission, and she was doing and she was continuing her mission. But suddenly what happened? While she was scrubbing the floor, and she thought and she was thinking, she was suddenly asking herself, what is my name? Just imagine, my dear students here, why she was asked like that? Because she thought the cleaning of the house and the scrubbing of the floor, mopping and arranging the mugulu and cleaning the house spotlessly, she thought it was my chief mission. And at the same time, she did not think about her life. Even she was unable to think about herself. So maybe she forgot her name. That's why she got an idea, and one day she asked herself, what is my name? The query shook her up. The query, here the word query, a question. What was the question here? What is my name? What is my name? This was the query. So the query shook her up. Immediately, when she asked herself, what is my name? Immediately here, the housewife, leaving the mopping cloth, mopping అంటే మన హౌసెస్లో జనరల్గా ఏంటంటే తడిగుడ్డతో వెట్ క్లాత్ మన ఫ్లోర్ని క్లీన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, దాన్ని మాపింగ్ అని అంటాం. Mopping up, leaving the mopping cloth and the mugu basket there itself, she stood near the window, scratching her head, lost in thoughts. Lost in thought, the word lost in thoughts here. thinking. She was thinking. She was thinking. And there the muglu basket and mopping cloth. So everything there, and she left there itself, and she went near the window, and she was scratching her head. Scratching her head in the sense, it seems someone is thinking deeply about something. Someone is thinking deeply about something. In the same way here, this housewife also was thinking, and she was going on, and she was thinking about her name. What is my name? Maybe she forgot. Maybe because as she was very busy with her household work, as she was very busy with mopping the house and keep the house spotlessly and arranging the muglu basket, because of all these works, she maybe forgot her name. That's why once this doubt she arised in her mind, and she was scratching her head, and she was thinking, deeply thinking, what is my name? And all the things there she left. Then what is my name? What is my name? She was thinking on, and she was lost in thoughts. The house across the road carried a named bird. The house across the road. That means here imagine this was the road, right? Across, that means maybe here you think here the housewife, maybe the housewife's name, house, and maybe here someone's house is there. There in this someone house there was a name board. There was a name board, right? Children, if you observe, look my children, if you observe while you are walking in the street, either sides of the road in the street, either side of the road in the street, you may find some signboards. Some signboards. Mr. So and so, that means so and so, Mr. So, Mr. Subbarao or Mr. Krishna Rao, MBBS, Aphosius, London, or Mr. Lalita, or maybe some signboards will be there. Some name boards will be there with their designation. So that's why the house across the road carried a name board, Mrs. M. Subhashini. ఆ నేమ్ బోర్డులో ఏముందంటే, ఆ నేమ్ బోర్డు మీద ఏముందంటే మిస్సెస్ ఎం సుభాషిణి. M. Subhashini, then some degrees, educational qualifications, MA, PhD, and a principal, X college. Yes, my dear children, look at. So this was the name board across the house. So across the house there was a name board. ఆ నేమ్ బోర్డులో ఏముందంటే, బికాస్ మిస్సెస్ ఎం సుభాష్ని అని ఉంది. There is a woman's name and her degrees MA, PhD, MA, Master of Arts, PhD, philosophy, doctor in philosophy, and principal. What is her designation? Principal. So X college, it's the name of the college. College name does not mention here. So like this there was a name board. So after seeing this name board, and maybe she lost her thoughts. So what is my name? Avunu kada? ఆవిడకంటూ ఒక పేరు ఉంది, నాకు కూడా ఒక పేరు ఉండొచ్చు కదా. So that's way, and here the housewife was thinking, yes, she too had a name as her neighbor did. Yes, then she thought, here the housewife thought, yes, she too had a name. That means I too had a name as the neighbor had, as the neighbor did. She is the neighbor. M. Subhashini is a neighbor. That's why, yes, Subhashini had a name. At the same time, here the housewife also had a name. In such a way, she thought. Right. Let's see. And how could I forget how could I forget like that? In my scrubbing zeal, I have forget my name. How can I forget my name? ఎలా మర్చిపోయాను? Yes, in my scrubbing zeal. Because of the scrubbing zeal, I forgot my name. She realized. I have forgot my name. What shall I do now? ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేయాలి అంటుంది. The housewife was perturbed అనగా bothered. Bothered or worried. Or disturbed. Okay, there are different meanings. So the housewife was perturbed. Her mind became totally restless. Why? Because she was thinking and she was lost in thoughts. What is my name? What is my name? She was very restless. Became tight. Somehow she finished her dotting for the day. So here, ఏదో ఒక విధంగా dabbing, that means here the act of spreading the substance such a muddy thick. See here, that is dabbing for the day. Next para. Meanwhile, the maid servant arrived, hoping at least she would remember. The housewife asked her, "Look, Amai, do you know my name?" So while she was thinking about her name, meanwhile a maid servant came to her house to clean the house and to wash the dishes. So then she asked, here the housewife asked the maid servant, "Look, Amai, look, do you know my name?" The housewife asked her. Then the girl said to this house, what is it? What is Amma? What is it? What do we have to do with the names of mistresses? Mistresses. Did it say the way of honoring the persons, women's? ఇంట్లో పనులు చేసేవాళ్ళు మీరు గమనిస్తే కనుక సర్వెంట్స్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు అమ్మగారు అని మాత్రమే సంబోధిస్తూ ఉంటారు. And they may be uttered, they may be address them Ammagaru ani. They don't call with their names. That is called their obedience, right? So that's why here the girl said, what do we do with the names of mistresses? Ammagaru యొక్క name to మాకేం పనమ్మా? And you are only mistresses to us, and the mistress of such a wide story house, ground floor means you. Simply, we only said, and we are only mistresses, you are only mistresses, the mistress of such a wide storied house, that is in the ground floor. So generally we call them mistresses. We don't want their names. Simply we call them only mistresses, as such a wide storied building mistresses. We in such a way we address. We don't want ma. So like we here the maid servant is reply to housewife. Then the housewife thought and realized, yes, it is true, of course. How can you know the poor things sound? That is what the housewife said. Children came home from the school for a lunch in the afternoon. At least the children might remember my name. The housewife opened, hoped, expected. The housewife expected even my children could know my name. So when they came from school for the lunch to the so at that time here the housewife asked them. Then the children replied, look here, children, do you know my name? Here the housewife asked the children. They were taken back. Again they don't said. Then what they said? See, you are Amma. The children replied, you are Amma, your name is Amma only. Ever since we were born, we have known only this. Ever since we born, we only know you are my mother, you are Amma. We don't know your name, and simply we call you Amma only. The letters that comes are only in the Father's name. Even whenever the letters comes to us, to our home, in the Father's name they used to come. So that's when we know our Father's name. Even no letter comes to your name. So because everyone calls him by his name, we know his name. That's why everyone calls by his name, my dear mother. So that's why everyone knows. That's why we know our Father's name. The children said painfully. Yes. Housewife said, yes. Who will write letters to me? Only. Chala nirutsahantho, chala painful ga maatladutundi ikkada housewife. Yes. Who will write letters to me? Father and mother are there. Father and mother are there, but they only make a phone calls and once in a month or two. Only ఎవరు రాస్తారు లెటర్స్? ఫాదర్ గాని మదర్ గాని నెలకు వచ్చే 1-2 సార్లు ఫోన్ మాత్రమే చేసేవాళ్ళు. No one to write. Even my sisters also immersed with swabbing their houses. Even if they meet in some marriages or kunkuma ceremony, they chanted away their time taking about a new mugulu or new dishes to cook, but no letters. Yes, even of course I have sisters. When we meet some functions at some ceremonies or kumkum ceremonies, they would discuss about the new dishes or mugulu designs. So in such a way the housewife thought, and she was disappointed and grew more restless. The urge to know her own name, somehow or other, she grew a stronger heart. The urge, urgent, that means request and authority. The urge. Like a korika, edaithe undo, the urge to know her name became more strong, more restless. Great. So, my dear children, here and today I will stop this lesson. Understand this para. Who is the speaker? What she think about, and why she became restless. What did she forget? What is the reason to forget her name? To whom she asked to recover, to bring back her name? Whether she was succeeded in that way. So, to whom letters to whom with the names of the letters to come. How do the children express what was their response when her mother was asked her name? These are the things to keep in mind and remember. So definitely you will get the answers. Then you could understand this concept of this lesson. What is my name? Until then, take care. Bye.